to look at machine. Previously we discussed the function of machine, types of machine, the lever, the pulley, the climb plane, the screw jack, and the jack. So we talk about them individually. We have not done that. So but now we want to look at a case of what we have discussed so far. And that question is a wide question. Anyway, the efficiency of a machine is 80%. Determine the work done by a person using this machine to lift a load of 200 kg through a vertical distance of 3.0 meters. So what we normally do is that we try to list up all our variables. So our known and unknown. So what do we know from the question? First, efficiency is given as 80%. What again do we know? We also know that the load, right? Okay, the load of load is 200. But we have to multiply it by 10 because load is almost the same thing as weight. And load is weight, which is mass times acceleration due to gravity. That's the essence of the G below this very place. So you now have 2,000 Newton. I think we have distance also given as 3.0 meter. Then we are now asked to look at what are we looking for in that question. Calculate what? Okay. The work done by a person. So the work done should be work input. You don't know work input. That's the work done by is like the work the person put into the machine. So what do we know? What's the formula connecting work input, work output, and efficiency? And that formula is at work. Efficiency is simply work output. I represent with WO over work input. I represent with WI times 100 over 1. Also, we also need to know that every other thing is there apart from work output. Work output is load times load distance. So what is our work output? That what is our load? 2,000 Newton multiplied by the load distance is 3.0 meters. So we are having 6,000 joule. That's the unit of work. Then we can now substitute everything in this equation. The efficiency is 80. 80 is equal to what is the work output? 6,000 over work input our own times 100 over 1. You can make work input the subject of formula. When you cross multiply, you multiply this with this. This is 80 over 1. So I have 80 multiplied by work input will be equal to 6,000 multiplied by 100. So divide both sides by 80 to make work input the subject of formula. That's why one of the videos was saying that making a subject of formula is very important in science. Or without it, it will be hard. Work input will now give you 6,000 times 100 divided by 80. And that's 0 cancel 0. This is 5 into 4. This is about 7,500 joule. I hope it's clear. I hope you understand. Please like, share, and follow for more.